So I've got the Samsung Galaxy S25 and I'll be showing you a couple of things you can do in case you're having problems with connecting to Wi-Fi on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So let's say you're trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network and for some reason it's either not connecting or it's connecting and it's saying no internet. So here are a couple of things you can do. One is to check the router. And to do that, you can pick up another device like a computer, check your TV, and just connect to that same Wi-Fi and open up an app like YouTube or any other app that you're sure uses internet connection and see if it works. Okay. If it doesn't work, then the problem might be the router, which takes us to the second attempt at fixing it. And the second attempt is restarting your router. So you want to go to your router, the power source, just turn it off. You can even unplug it and count 15 to 20 seconds, plug it back in and then start it up and give it time to start up and then go ahead and try to connect to Wi-Fi once again. Okay, so that's the second thing you can do. Now, if it's still connecting or with issues or not connecting, the next thing you want to do is go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Just go back to the main settings page. So go to settings, connections, Wi-Fi, and what you want to do is forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect it. Okay, so just tap on the settings icon that opens the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap on forget, and that's going to completely forget that network and then reconnect it with a password. So it's going to ask for the password. Type in the password afresh, and normally that's going to fix the problem in case you had an issue with someone changing the password and now you cannot, for some reason you cannot connect to Wi-Fi because the password was changed. Okay, so that's the other thing you can do. Now if it's still giving you problems, you might want to try and also restart your phone. So just go to the restart menu and restart your Galaxy S25 and see if that's going to fix the problem. Now, of course, this is in the assumption that you've checked all the previous tips and everything seems to be in order. So if you've done that and you're still having problems with your phone, then you might want to try something a bit extra. And this one is resetting your network settings. Now this will delete all saved networks, all Wi-Fi network connections, all that stuff is going to get removed and deleted, and then including all other settings related to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so to do that, just go into settings. Under settings, go to general management, tap on that, and then go to reset, tap on that, and then scroll down and you should see the option called reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now if you tap on that and then confirm by tapping on reset settings, you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. That means you're gonna have to reconnect to Wi-Fi again, and this should fix your problem. Okay, so that should be the ultimate attempt at reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. And so if you've done all these things and your Wi-Fi router is working well with other devices and you've done all these steps I've shown you and you're still having problems with your Wi-Fi, then you might want to start considering returning your phone back to the store and getting activating your warranty, and maybe trying to go to a Samsung store, have them check it out and see what the problem is, or maybe even return and get a new phone. You should start considering those possibilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.